Right, good morning, good afternoon and good evening. My name's Jay, welcome to the channel. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. I've been up since 6 this morning, got everything ready last night. Little bit different today. We are going to the WILDBAD Weekender 2023. So the WILDBAD Weekender 23 is an annual thing that Vida channel organises through WILDBAD touring, and it's a weekend of entertainment, camping, bikes, stuff like that. So I've got the bike, I'm on the GS today. We're just heading over to Matlock to the meeting point. I won't leave you on for the journey, and then we'll do a ride over to the place, which is actually in I think it's Horton Waters. And then once we get there, that's us settled for the weekend. Then could have took motorway, but I've just chose to take the scenic route. Supposed to be there for 8 o'clock, but they're not leaving till 10. We've got to do check-in and things like that as well. So I'm really excited because I'm meeting up with the boys as well. Motovlog UK, Moist Decoy, Carts Wheels, two-wheel bikers will be there as well. So we'll see them when we get there. But yeah, should be a fun-packed weekend. So I'll see you in a bit.
How many bikes have we got here? Look at this lot. But I think we're setting off in about half an hour. Just got to do the briefing as well, had a bacon sandwich. But there's so many bikes here. So we've got different genre bikes. GS's. Yeah, we've got GS's, KTM's, Africa Twins. Look at this lot. Biker paradise. Right, buddy.
Good morning.
So I was worried about my bike, and look at this one. How do you keep that up, mate? No, not the bike.
Oh, I was going to say, there's little blue pills, but no, that's not going nowhere. Rock straps.
Do you know why we're looking for one of these? Because
And bungee cords.
I can't believe how small they are, but how big they get.
Good
What,
things
ours
come in
then?
small packages.
Is that what it is?
That's what it is.
Once erected, they're well big.
Are they?
Yeah. Stop putting the cups on mine.
Stop putting them on mine.
They were on yours to start.
So that's perfect place, so you can have a cup of tea on there.
It's my little
Big
cup
long
holder.
straw as well. This will make sure I don't forget, look. Hey! All right. Right, right. Hey!
Hey!
How's he going,
Alright,
mate?
mate, you?
Where's your thunderfoot?
It's just there, pal. I tell you what, that was a riding off.
Was it?
Oh god, it started to get a bit, because we was hitting a load of traffic as well, so do you know what, I didn't even know it went over the mirror, mate. I'm still recording, look.
I'm an over the mirror kind of guy.
have you been drinking?
It's the first one, it's only
Where's mine?
Get you one.
What a place, eh?
It's incredible. It's a bit windy, that's why we came down here.
Yeah.
We was thinking if we pitch tents here and here,
Yeah.
then we're all together and
Yeah,
it's nice.
I could put mine here, can't I?
Who's this up?
Hey!
Hey mate!
Alright, buddy?
How are you?
Oh,
You alright?
alright, mate, you?
Yeah. Bet that was a trek, wasn't it? Alright, boys! Girls.
Right, so we're at the campsite, all set up. I've got my tent that sets up really quickly, so I'm out of breath because I've just raced over here, but look. What a place. They've just ran off up there. But yeah, I've been here about an hour now. Just going up to get something to eat and something to drink. See you in a bit. It's amazing who you can run into in these places. And I've not seen anyone yet, I know. Right, Paul, Tracy and Ian.
We'll get you some t-shirts.
Two-wheel bikers, yeah? This is beautiful, this.
What's going on?
What do you want?
I want alcoholic beverage. Why are we standing over here? I love these guys so much. But the bar's over there.
Oh, is that the bar there?
I don't know, but there's a big marquee and that's usually where the bar is. I just need a drink.
Some jazz.
Excuse me.
Good morning, Steve. How are you this morning?
Good morning, Jay. I'm very, very well. The sun is right in my eyes.
Oh, it's good for me though.
Yeah, it's good to hear, yeah.
Stand like that, look.
There we go.
So you slept alright, Paul?
I slept fine, yeah, till about 4 o'clock when I really needed a wee.
Yeah.
But the toilets are like all the way over there.
Yeah.
So I went back to sleep till about 7 and then I just couldn't hold it.
Then you had to walk all the way over there.
I did. I was seriously thinking about taking the bike up there though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What about you, Kay? Did you sleep alright?
I slept okay, and then at 2 o'clock, 2:30.
Right, so here we are. The next day. It was a good night last night, wasn't it?
It was good.
Night, yes.
Sounded like it was all rocking there when we
Oh,
came
it
down
was.
here.
It was good. Everyone was up dancing. Not everyone, but like loads of people were up dancing.
Right, so we're going to get a brew now. Sun's in my face there. Gonna get a brew. Still in my
Sun's in your
face.
there.
It's
Very bright sun.
it is. But yeah, we had a decent night's sleep. I'm very tired though. I did wake up last night a few times, but I've got a camp bed that's off the floor now, and it was like a lot better. And I've actually got a pillow. But yeah, see what today holds. But yeah, it was a good night. Good night last night. I had a few beers and chats and stuff, and happy days. So I'm going to see what's for breakfast in a bit. So I'll see you in a bit. Dave, do it again. Do it again for a slow-mo.
I've already got it. It'll be definitely on slow-mo.
Go on, Dave. You go swimming, mate?
No.
Why?
I'll sink the way I feel today.
I think you could run down the hill.
I think I had a little bit too much go-go pop last night.
It was off-cut when we turned up.
It's mixing as well.
Need to keep up with them wine gums, mate.
IPA, that Guinness, and Dave's lager.
Look who we got here, look. Yorkshire Teapot. How you doing, mate?
Alright, yeah.
Enjoying it?
I am, yeah. It's very good.
You like pasties?
I do like pasties, yeah.
Yeah, so we, I think Steve's going swimming in a bit. He's trying to look all professional. Look.
Crazy legs.
I film you, you film me.
Our cameras are
You
going to
can
have
film
babies.
me. If you can film me, I can film you as well.
But our cameras are going to have babies. Look, if they touch. Oh.
Alright, Jay. Just want to tell you, mate, it's been made official today. You're a Alright? No problem, mate. See you in a bit. Jay gave me his camera to hold while he went to the toilet.
Jay is a ball bag.
That was reserved.
Scrotum.
Mine was worse.
Slow walk.
So I have to do is go as slow as you can.
Slow as you
Oh,
possibly
come
can.
on, we've got to have some competition going on.
How long is it running for?
Speed this fucking jump stick.
Nice.
Oh, that's
Go on,
nice one,
go
nice
on.
one. Look ahead, that's it.
Don't look
Head up.
down. Lift your head up.
Look your head up at
Don't
the end of the
look
line.
down.
That's
That's
it.
Go on.
I reckon I could do that. Well done.
Go on.
Come on, well
Go
done.
on. You've got this. You've got this.
Nice one, excellent, good
Don't
control.
look down.
Look ahead.
Look up, look up, look up, look up.
That's it, well
Come
done.
on.
Keep going,
Come
keep
on.
looking ahead.
Come
Look
on.
ahead. Excellent.
Brilliant. Keep going, don't look
Go
down.
on, keep going, keep going.
You've got this.
Good.
Go on. Go on.
Excellent.
Hey!
Fantastic, well done.
Come on, let's do it.
Don't want
You
to come
can
too
do
quick,
it.
you'll never live it down.
Oh.
Well balanced, well balanced. Hold it there for another 5 seconds. Yeah, 25.
25.
Come on, Kaylee. Bad to the bone.
Four. We've got 4 in our other show. Now we've decided 6 is the number. We're going to get across each one. They're moving a little bit, which is ideal.
This is what happens when Jay sends us down to get his camera.
We're going to pretend that we couldn't find his camera.
We are
And
going
that
to
his tent was wide open.
You're a horrible person.
I know. But it's funny.
It's funny because it's true.
It's funny because it's true.
Hi Jay's fans.
So right. So we've got so he's a bricklayer.
He's a bricklayer.
Right, so we've got a bricklayer here, right?
Manly man.
A manly man, proper Yorkshire manly man.
Yeah, that's it.
Right. Let's have a look at his phone here, look. Needs to go with your tattoos, mate.
You are getting a lot of stick today, mate. I do apologise for that.
Yeah, so
Not too many raffle prizes, so we're going to do something. We're going to do something a bit daft, like we've done in the past. Right. So, hang on a minute. I'm going to scrap with this wasp. These chains weigh an absolute ton. Really, really heavy. But we've got loads of really good prizes to give away. So if you want to come and just hold it for as long as you possibly can, come and see what prizes you can get. You're doing with your wristband there. It's not called a necklace band. Whoa. What's your name, where you from?
Ryan. Flabberburg.
Oh,
That's a nice place.
he's got a pink.
Nice there.
He's got a pink phone.
Come on, bro.
he lives in the lighthouse.
Oh yeah, we don't tell anybody about that, do we? So, you got that? You ready? Steady, go. Hope you've all had a nice WILDBAD weekender, everybody. While we're just chewing the fat for a bit. Have you had a good time? I've had a really great time, so thank you very much. Keep it going, come on.
Go on, Ryan.
Go on, Ryan.
Go on, keep it. He's in it, he's locked in.
There's a bucket of halloumi fries for you.
Oh, a little bit of shaking going off. Come on.
And a ride on a steam train.
Come on.
Get it up. Get it up.
Hold
Get
it.
your arm up. Get your arm up. Get it up.
You can pass the point of no return. Come on. Last little boost. Come on.
Go on, Ryan. Go on, Ryan.
Push it. Come on. Keep on.
Get it up.
Keep on. Keep it. You're nearly in the lead. Keep on.
Go on, Ryan. Oh, it's down. It's down. Come here, mate. Come here. Mate.
We've got Crazy Legs on Wheels over there from YouTube.
Wheels? wheels?
Did I say Crazy Legs on Wheels?
You did, yeah.
Oh, I've got mixed up with Crazy Legs on Wheels next to
Cart's wheels.
Cart's legs. Do you want to, he's a bloody look. Wait, don't waste it, don't waste it. Look at him. He's a bloody man mountain. He's a lovely lad too. Crazy Legs on a bike, everybody, if you've not met this man or seen him on YouTube, he's a lovely bloke. Great channel. You ready?
From Nottingham.
Are you steady?
And it's a knob.
Go. What we got to beat, Gaz?
Come on, Jay.
1 minute and...
Arms down.
1 minute 22. Hold him, yeah, down.
There you go.
He's alright, I didn't Mr. Miyagi's trained him.
Get in the zen.
Woosa.
Danielson.
Hello.
I do actually want to see Cart's wheels have a go at this.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
If Crazy's doing it, then you've got to do it. And I also want to see Mrs. Cart's wheels do it.
Yeah, but I'm only a child though.
Come on,
Come on, Jay. Come on, Jay.
Yeah, I think he's got it, He got it.
Come on.
Come on, Jay.
That's a good posture you've got there. Come on.
Come on. Mental,
Don't put it back up,
mental.
for God's sake.
Focus.
Come on, Jay.
Come on, lift. Come on, get that left hand up. That's it.
Come on.
Okay, go. What is it? 1 minute 12 for Crazy Legs. Oh, look at the queuing up. Oh my goodness. So Pete,
Got into the zone, look.
I just heard the Raffle lady say it does look really easy.
Again.
The Raffle lady. It's funny. Come on, Steve. You can do
Go on,
it.
Steve.
Come on, Steve.
You've got to at least beat Crazy.
He's vibrated.
What did Crazy get again?
I'm
1
going.
minute 12.
I'm going home.
Don't you worry about it. Concentrate on what you're doing. Come on, lad. Come on.
Come on, Steve. Come on, Kate. Come on, Kate.
Okay.
47 seconds.
Go.
You hold it there. Wait, hold that there a second. Come on, jump in. What's your name? Where'd you come from?
Eamon from Yorkshire.
What did you get?
Eamon from Yorkshire.
47.
Oh, Eamon from Yorkshire. That's not the attitude, is it? Ready,
PMA.
steady, go.
Come on, Kate. Come on, Kate.
Come on.
Arms out.
He's still up. Oh no, it's on the floor. Okay.
Hey.
How many seconds? So hang on a minute. So we should have wrote your contract in.
Oh God, yeah, she needs to do
So
everything now.
Mrs. Cotswills now needs to do everything instead of you doing everything.
Yeah.
Because she doesn't do anything.
Nah, nothing at all.
Okay, so there's definitely.
Right, good morning. It is 7 o'clock in the morning. Well, it's about 10 to actually. Lovely day today. It's the last day. WILDBAD Weekender. I've had an absolutely amazing time. It's been awesome. Definitely be coming back again. but yeah, it's really good. It's really enjoyed it. And just got the worst bit now to start packing up the tent. It's not too bad actually, because I've got all pannier boxes and stuff, so I just shove everything in there, make sure everything goes in them, and then just got the tent just to go on the bike, so it's not too bad. But yeah, it's been absolutely awesome. Just going to do the ride home now. It's only about an hour for me actually, an hour 10 minutes, something like that. Just back home, some A roads back home, straight back. Might stop for some breakfast on the way, I don't know yet. But yeah, if you wanted to do this in the future, I highly recommend it. It's absolutely brilliant. Loads of really nice people. Everybody gets on. It's just fantastic. All bikers together. Nice big biking community. So, but yeah, so if you fancy it, just look out for tickets for next year, because honestly, it's a banging time. WILDBAD Weekender, hosted by Vida. Brilliant. It's great to see some familiar faces and also meet some new ones as well. And yeah, absolutely 100% recommend it. So I'm gonna just have my coffee now, then I'm gonna start packing up and we'll hit the road. So thanks for tuning in, guys, and remember, every day is an adventure. Crazy out.